Okay, to do 634 divided by 2, we're going to use the does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers method, and that stands for divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down. So our first step is to divide. We're going to break this large number up into chunks, and we're going to start and look at only the first digit, which is the 6. So I'm essentially dividing 6 by 2. How many times will 2 go into 6? 2 will go into 6 3 times. So I just divided. My next step is to multiply. I'm multiplying this 3 times my divisor, which is 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. After I multiply, I subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. I'm checking that my C stands for check. I'm checking that this number, the answer to my subtraction problem, is smaller than my divisor, and it is. Next step is to bring down. I'm going to bring down the next digit, which is the 3. And I start my steps back over at divide. Now I'm dividing 3 by 2. 2 will go into 3 one time. Multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. Now subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. I'm going to check that this number is smaller than my divisor, and it is, so I'm good. I can move on. The B is for bring down. I've got one digit left, the 4. I'm going to bring it all the way down. And now I have 14. I start back over once again. 14 divided by 2. 2 will go into 14 7 times. Now I multiply. 7 times 2, 14. Subtract. 14 minus 14 is 0. I check. Is 0 less than 2? It is. There's nothing left for me to bring down. So I'm going to complete my division problem, and my quotient is 317. I can check to make sure that I have the right answer by taking my quotient, 317, and multiplying it by my divisor. And if I've gotten the division problem correct, 634 will be my product. So we'll check that. 7 times 2 is 14. And my product matches my dividend. So I know that 317 is the correct quotient.